Set up in just 3 minutes and experience Sig2 Smart Reminders, location-based audio messages for work on job sites and properties. Go to sig2.app, sign in with your Google account or email and password. With just your first name, last name, and phone number, you're ready. Signing up sends you a SMS invitation to download the Sig2 mobile app. Whether you have an iPhone or an Android, go install it. Verify your phone number and allow all permissions. Be the first to hear a Sig2 smart reminder on your phone so you'll know what your crew members will experience in the field. Set your first location-based message by entering an address. For a quick field test, make it about 1 mile away. Set a quarter-mile radius for where the message will be heard. Type a message title, then type a brief 2-sentence message. The default settings are for hearing this message today, and it will be available to be heard once, anytime during today. Now the most important, preview the message on your phone, scan the QR code, and tap the link. Hear your message. Now you know what it will sound like to receivers while they are driving. Right now, you are the operator and the default receiver. After you field test, you can assign the next message to crew members. Okay, now it's time to go for a drive to where you set the smart reminder. When you get back, it's time to add contacts.